My name is Lucrecia Castillo Chipiay. I am 27 years old. I am from Puerto Carreño, Bichada. I live in Cumarido, Bichada. I am a superior normalist. My hobby is reading and listening to music of God. I live with husband and daughter in Cumarido, Bichada. I am studying psychology at UNED. My favorite TV show is the novel. My favorite sport are cycling. My family. My mother's name was Rosalia Chipiay. My father is Jose Castillo. He is 60 years old. He is a peasant. He is from Puerto Carreño, Bichada. He is farmer. His skin is dark and his hair is black. My husband is John Ovalle. He is 43 years old. He is a teacher. He is from Bogotá. He is tall. He has brown eyes and he has black hair. My son's name is Jose Gallardo Castillo. He lives in Puerto Carreño, Bichada. He is 5 years old. He is short. He has black eyes and he has black hair. My daughter is Luciana Ovalle Castillo. She is 3 years old. She is tall. Hair is strong, long and brown. Her eyes are brown. Same.